Leo, get out of bed. The sun is up.
Good morning, Sarah. I am coming. I am very dizzy. I did not eat dinner last night.
I do not care. Stop crying. Wash the dirty clothes. Then make breakfast.
Yes, Sarah. I will do it.
Daddy, look at my new school bag. It is so pretty.
It is very beautiful, Mia. Just like you.
Daddy, my class is going to the zoo today. I need money for the bus and for ice cream.
Here is $50, my sweet girl. Have a wonderful day at the zoo.
Dad? Excuse me.
What do you want, Leo?
My class is going to the zoo, too. Can I please have $10 for the ticket?
$10? For you? No. You are staying home.
But Dad, the teacher said we will learn about animals. It is important for our test.
You do not need to learn about animals. You need to pull the weeds in the garden. We do not have money for you.
Listen to your father, Leo. No zoo for you. Go wash the clothes.
Yes, Dad. Yes, Sarah.
My hands are so cold. The water is freezing. Ugh. What is this?
It is a small picture. It is a picture of my real mother. She looks so beautiful. She is smiling. Oh, Mother. I love your smile.
Leo, who are you talking to?
Nothing, Sarah. I am just washing the clothes. What is in your hand? Give it to me.
Please, no. It is just an old picture of my real mother. Please let me keep it.
Let me see that. She was not pretty. You are wasting time looking at this old trash.
Please, Sarah, do not say that. It is very special to me. It is my only picture of her.
I do not care. You need to work, not look at pictures. I am throwing this in the trash can.
No, please. I will do anything. I will clean the whole house twice. Please give it back.
Too late. It is in the dirty trash. Now get back to work. Or I will tell your father to beat you.
Yes, Sarah.
Mommy, Daddy, I am home from the zoo.
Welcome home, Princess. Did you have fun?
Yes. But Daddy, I have a big problem. My gold ring is missing.
Your expensive gold ring? Oh no! Where did you lose it?
I did not lose it, Mommy. I took it off in the bathroom this morning. I think someone stole it.
Stole it? Who would steal from our house?
Leo was the only one home today. He stole my gold ring.
Leo, come inside now.
What, Dad? No. I was in the garden all day pulling weeds. I did not go inside the house.
Do not lie to us. You are a bad boy. You wanted money for the zoo. You stole the ring to sell it.
Sarah, please. That is not true. I stayed home. I did not take the ring.
Empty your pockets right now, Leo.
See, Dad? My pockets are empty. I only have dirt from the garden on my hands.
He hid it. He is a terrible thief.
Leo, you are a terrible son. You break vases and you steal gold rings. Go to the dark room again. You will stay there all weekend.
Dad, please, search Mia's new school bag. Maybe the ring is inside her bag. Do not touch my bag. Daddy, he is yelling at me.
Go to your room, Leo, now!
Why is my life like this? I am cold. I am hungry again. They threw my mother's picture in the trash. They called me a thief. I am not a thief. I am a good boy. Why does nobody see the truth? I am so alone. Maybe I should run away from this house. But where will I go? Please everyone like the video, leave 2 comments, and subscribe to the channel. The last part will be released in 2 days.